Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to talk about the dark and darker server error 2, what causes it and how to fix it. But first, let's discuss what the dark and darker server error 2 means. In case you're playing the dark and darker game and run across a server error 2 message, it's a sign that the game is having trouble connecting with servers and getting all the required resources. You can get this message because of an issue on the developer side or because of an internal issue. The following are some of the common causes of the server error 2 message. Server maintenance or overload. The most common reason for a dark and darker server error 2 message is a system down, which may be caused by server overload or maintenance. Either of these scenarios will cause the game servers to stop working. Game client issues. With dark and darker being a multiplayer game, users must connect to a game client, or network client, to access the main game server. If your game client is outdated or corrupted, you will receive a server error 2. VPNs and firewalls. VPNs and firewalls can interfere with how the dark and darker game connects with its servers. They control and sometimes restrict access to your network. This results in a server error code. Now, let's look at the best solutions that you can apply to fix the server error 2. Check the dark and darker server status. Here's what you can do if this is the issue. Check the game's website and official social media handles to see if there's a communication on a possible system crash. You could also wait 10 to 15 minutes, then restart Dark and Darker to confirm that the error is gone. Update your game software. To combat an outdated or corrupted game client while playing Dark and Darker, you can use these steps. Check for the most recent Dark and Darker updates available. If you don't have them installed, do so. If this does not work, uninstall the game software from your computer, re-download it, and install it again. Change your VPN and firewall settings. To prevent third-party software like VPNs and firewalls from blocking the Dark and Darker game, this is what you need to do. Go to your internet settings and disable your VPN. Always turn it off when playing the game. Navigate to your browser's firewall settings and add the game to the list of applications with permitted access. That's it. Thanks for watching.